Assalamu alaikum. How's everyone? Welcome back. Today's I'm cooking another recipe. It's goat chops, mutton chops, whatever you want to call it. Um, I'm gonna marinate it in the yogurt and some spices. If you want to know the full recipe, stay tuned. So here I have the meat. I soaked it in some water with a couple of tablespoons of vinegar just to take the meat smell out. So now I'm ready to make the marinade. Put that on the side. I'm gonna put a cup of yogurt, maybe a cup and a half. Teaspoon of garlic paste. And 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. Teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of pepper. You could control that. A teaspoon of cumin powder. And I'm gonna put 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Going to put 5 pods of elaichi, which is green cardamom, and teaspoon of garam masala. Going to mix this. Okay, so I got my gloves on and I am ready to marinate this meat. After I marinate it, I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for about half an hour. And then I will cook it until the meat gets tender. So I got good marination on it. I think I'm gonna put some olive oil here. Maybe half in a cup. And just let it marinate. This helps the marination actually, the oil. I mean, you could use desi ghee here, but since my husband is on diet, so he doesn't like desi ghee or butter. These are cooked in butter, taste so good. So after 30 minutes, you start cooking. Still tough, needs to cook a little more. Okay, so water is almost dried out. I just need to put some oil and brown it a little bit. And they look soft. The meat is tender. Yeah, it's done. Taste the salt. It's okay. Almost done. I'm just making sure there's a little bit oil shows up on top, and then a little bit of gravy is left. I am going to leave some gravy, just waiting for it to finish. Some oil on top. So here is the chops in yogurt, and I hope you guys like it. Let me see if the salt is good. Delish. Salt is good. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching.